Now, look at this young mother who would drive down to the examination centers to give, to give exam for the son, and she would stop her urine almost 4 hours. Then she would drive around this son to coach her for music and musical instruments, and she herself would roam around in the streets to wait for him to come out, whether it's hot, jet hot, or jet cold. This is how our some Indian mothers work to give solace to the children. Despite being working, they run the household so beautifully well. This is only a very, very casual example. Some such mothers who are worthy and who are sincere, they take care of the family and relatives as well. Imagine this young mother who was a professional professor, she had to run taking the cab when her parents with the mentally disabled daughter arrived to take care of them, to immediately make food for them while she was running from the college to the household, gave them every comfort she could. Then her mother in law came for the operation. She was very fuzzy about the spiders and spider webs and all. And she had to clear off everything because she would not lie down unless they are cleared. They are so fuzzy. And this girl did everything for these ungrateful people from time to time. Her brother's family would come in from US only to take advantage of her home and her generosity and her hospitality. And in return, when she visited US, they did not even took the phone. She had to stay in the hotel at the airport. Can you beat this? This this girl had to undergo lot of pain on the part of the shrewd and selfish people around her. And she took them as a bitter pie, and still she would keep on doing every time because she could not say no. She was such a beautiful soul and beautiful person. Not only that, these relatives would come, they would bring their own friends also to her house. That is, relatives of relatives, friends of relatives. And she would cook for all of them without saying a word. So much cooking she did for outsiders who would just forget after eating and taking away everything from their household. They would come with nothing despite being so rich and and in a relation they should give. They would not give. They would come empty hands. This is how This girl had to bear the torture of only one side doing. A German who lived opposite her house once asked, "Why you are doing so much? Why you are not keeping the help? Why you are running around for everybody?" This he felt that not good, and he felt that this will count on the health, and this ultimately happened. And when this happened, because she was doing the hardmost tasks, including gardening also, shifting houses, buying houses, selling houses, making assets for the houses, every good work she was doing single mindedly and single handedly. Ultimately, she fell ill. And when she started telling the people that, look, she cannot look after them anymore, can cook for them, they cut off. But still, her jest for doing others did not end when she found that her mean father and selfish father, who was almost 86 years old and who needed help, and there was a daughter who was very, very ill, who needed help. These two were living alone, and the son who lived close by did not turn up. He had thrown off all his belongings from his house, and they had to buy another house to live. These old people, although he was a very dirty man. So nobody can say that the son was dirty, this man was dirty always. But this daughter again went to take care. But this man was incorrigible, liar. His habits did not die, dirty habits. But this good girl did take care whatever she could. So this is the story of this girl who was born in a very nasty family and was married to a very weak man who could not take care of the family interests, and to the in-laws who cared only for one vagabond brother, vagabond son, who was seeing ladies for sex, stealing the jewelry from the house, and still he was given shelter. And the whole of this father-in-law's income went to look after the family of this man, as if that family happened to be his family. So nothing came to this beautiful and intelligent girl who did things for everybody. She was not given anything from any side. She is just a girl, a lady who has only given, and she has a giving hand. She does for poor people also on her own. She has not formed any NGO or anything. She is doing it as an individual, and she also says the same thing to everyone, that do not go for profit seekers, social NGOs. Whatever you want to do, you do for your self by your hand, whether they are the disabled, they are the deserving poor, or the deserving family members. But do not do for the selfish people and shrewd people, because this is a lesson she has learned in her life. Now she's pretty old, but you can see her, how she looks like. She's talking to you. Everyone says that she looks like a young girl, and her body is also like a young girl, very youthful and very juicy. But she's a girl, she's a lady with all sacrifices. Her desires are not fulfilled. Any desire, whether it is desire for love or desire for sex, because the man with her is like this. But she is not like other girls or other women, that she leaves the family and the man because of these physical and material desires and take divorce and find another family. So some people have a very, very beautiful mindset. They take the sacrifices to make things workable and livable, even if she or they are not at peace of mind, their desires are not fulfilled, their ambitions are not fulfilled, they still do things by taking the overall interest of the family, overall interest of the society, and eventually the nation. So we need to have people like this girl, more of such people who are not selfish, who are not self oriented, and who take care of the emotions and physical needs of others, and who are responsible, and who just do not run away from one marriage to the other, from one family to the other, and do not break the nerves and the emotions and the mindset of the children who they have created. Definitely, if family making, if is broken away, is very traumatic for all who are part of this. So we should not encourage selfish people. We should help only those who need our help.